Hey guys, it's Miss Gavin with our Thursday's Phonics lesson, and we're going to continue working on our sneaky silent E words. So today we're going to be working on reading those words now that we know how the E works, and we're going to look at words all by themselves and then words in sentences. So if you look here at our chart, it says sneaky silent E. What does he do? Sneaks up on a vowel and makes it say its name. And you can see here I have some examples where the E is in green and the rest of the word is in orange, so that we can see that the sneaky silent E is going to make these vowels say their name. Our I can statement is I can read silent E words. So to review doing that, like we did yesterday, we're going to look at some words all by themselves, and we're going to remember how the sneaky E works to figure out the word. And then we get to uncover the pictures to see if they match what our word is. So let's take a look at this first word here. I can see a vowel in the middle and a sneaky E at the end. And I remember that the sneaky E is going to make this vowel say its name. So instead of saying ah, it's going to say o, home. And then I can uncover the picture and hopefully there's going to be a home under here. There is a home at Christmas time. Let's look at the next one. This one has a sk at the beginning, a vowel in the middle, a t, and then the sneaky silent E. It's going to make this vowel say its name. What is the name of this vowel? Can you tell me? You're right, it's A. Let's read the word together. Skate, skate. All right, let's think about what a skate looks like, and hopefully this is it. Aha, a skate, a roller skate. All right, let's look at the next one. I bet you know this word. We have the sneaky E, silent E at the end, and it's going to make the A say its name. Let's read it together. Ache, cake. And there is a picture of a yummy cake. All right, we're going to go to the next one up here. The vowel in the middle has changed now. So we still have our sneaky silent E, but we have a new vowel in the middle. What vowel is that? Can you tell me at home? It is. It's an I. And the I is going to say its name. So this is b-ike, bike. There is a nice yellow bike. If you've been riding your bike at home outside lately, can you raise your hand for me? I can see lots of you have been riding your bikes at home. It's been really nice weather for that. Okay, let's go to the next word. We see our silent sneaky E again. And we see this vowel in the middle. What vowel? You're right, it's going to say A. And then we have SP at the beginning, and SP together says sp, sp. So we say sp, ace, space. Like outer space. And the last one has a new vowel down here in the middle. That's a U, and then the sneaky silent E at the end. What is that sneaky silent E going to do to the U? You're right, it is. It's going to sneak up on it and make him say its name. He's going to say, U! Let's read it together. Mule, mule. And there is a picture of a mule. A mule does kind of look like a donkey, you're right, but they're a little bit bigger. Let's go to the next page. Now it's your turn. You are going to read these silent E words before the picture is uncovered. All right, so you're going to look at each word, like right here, we're going to start with this one. And as you read it to me, I'm going to uncover the picture, and you're going to see if the word that you read matches the picture correctly. Are you ready? Thumbs up if you're with me. All right, here we go. Read this first word with the sneaky E at the end. The word was time. Very good. All right, on to the next one. If you said dice, you were correct. Let's go to the next word down here with the sneaky E and the O. Very good. It is cone. I should have put a picture of an ice cream cone. That would be better. All right, let's go to this next word here with the L blend at the beginning, the O in the middle, and the sneaky E. Can you read that word for me? Nice job. It is. It's a globe. All right, on to this next word here. Yep, they are having a race. The E made the A say its name for race. Very good. Okay, here's our last one with another L blend at the beginning, an A, and the sneaky E. Can you figure out what your word matches? It sure does. It matches this green plate. He looks hungry. Now that you have mastered and figured out how to read these sneaky E words, we are going to take a look at how to read these words in sentences. I have here a passage called Cake at the Lake, which sounds like a lot of fun to have a birthday cake at the lake. But what we're going to be practicing doing is reading the words in the sentence. So I'm going to show you what that looks like before you go and play a game and work on an assignment for reading sneaky E words. So what we're going to do, Miss Gavin is just going to read this first sentence here for now and show you how that's going to work. So I'm just going to underline the sentence so that you can see which one I am reading. Okay? Before I read the sentence, I'm going to notice that there are some sneaky E words in this sentence, and I bet you can point them out with me. I've got one here with the E at the end. I have one here with the E at the end. This word has an E in it, but is it at the end like a silent E? No, that's not a sneaky E word. I have the, that's a snap word with the E at the end, and then I have another sneaky E word here. So I know that there's 1, 2, 3 words that I need to watch out for. And I know that the E makes the A say its name. So I'm going to try to read this word knowing that my E is quiet and my middle vowel is loud. All right, so this is Cake at the Lake. Dave. Dave and Jake went to the lake. Can you read that sentence with me? Dave and Jake went to the lake. Did you hear all of those A's shouting their names in that sentence? I did too. Oh my goodness. Well, now let's try to read one more sentence together before you go off on your own. Let's try a longer one. We're going to underline this one down here. Of course, you can read this whole passage on your own if you want to after the lesson. But I'm just going to underline it. Try to do that slowly so I don't make a mess with this marker. Okay, so here we go. We can see some sneaky E words when we look through the sentences. Let's see lots of sight words here. And then I'm going to come down here and notice we have a sneaky E word and another sneaky E word here. So let's try reading this together. Are you ready? I'm going to look at these sneaky E words first and see, what might they say? The E is going to make the vowel say its name. This is shade, and this one is cave. Shade and cave. Let's try this sentence together. They got out of the sun in the shade of the cave. Nice work. You can really hear your middle vowel saying its name because of that sneaky silent E. Great job. So if you will please complete the IXL assignment on the next eClass link after the video, you will be practicing your silent E reading skills. And what I did here is just put a little picture of what the assignment looks like when you get started. So you will be trying to figure out which sneaky E words in the sentences is going to make the sentence match the picture. I hope you guys have a great time doing that, and myself and the other kindergarten teachers look forward to seeing your work on this assignment. Have a great day.